Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your auction.com listing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your auction.com account. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the My Listings section on your dashboard. Click on the My Listings link to view all your current property listings. Find the listing you wish to cancel from the list. Click on the listing to open its details. Look for the Edit button on the top right corner of the listing details page. Click on the Edit button to access editing options. Scroll down to find the Cancel Listing option. Click on the Cancel Listing button. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the information provided in the prompt. If you are sure about your decision, confirm the cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for the cancellation. Fill in any required fields as prompted. Once completed, click Submit to finalize the cancellation. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your listing has been successfully canceled. Check your email for further confirmation regarding the cancellation. Congratulations, your auction.com listing is now canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.